Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best NDD Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A no-dealing desk, more commonly known as NDD, can describe a trading platform offered by a forex broker which provides unfiltered access to the interbank market rates. As opposed to a dealing desk or market making, most NDD brokers offer straight-through processing or STP execution on forex trades. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best NDD Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best NDD Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM is a CySEC and FCA-regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. At number 4 on our list is eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. eToro trading accounts are offered on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their very own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. Coming in at number 3, we have Blackbull Markets. Blackbull Markets is a Forex and CFD brokerage, which is fully regulated by New Zealand's Financial Service Providers Register. Founded in 2014, with the goal of becoming the leading online financial technology and foreign exchange broker. Blackbull Markets is a true ECN, no-dealing desk brokerage, specializing in Forex, CFDs, commodities, precious metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Blackbull Markets web trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are featured on Demo, Standard, Prime, Institutional, Islamic, and Active Trader accounts, with low minimum deposits, 1 to 500 leverage, access to all tradable market instruments, virtual private server trading, and more. Blackbull Markets also provides their very own educational center, which provides an easy-to-understand overview of Forex trading, a collection of educational trading videos, trading guides, an economic calendar, and much more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Blackbull Markets. At number 2 on our list is Key to Markets. Key to Markets is a globally regulated ECN broker that was founded in 2010 and is based in London. With Key to Markets, you can trade a variety of currency pairs, indices, commodities, and shares, and there are more than 180 tradable instruments on offer, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips. There are multiple accounts to choose from, and as a client, you will be able to use Fix API, My FX Book, and free virtual private servers. Key to Markets offers a PAM account, a money manager account, an investor account, or the Social PAMs program, which is similar to copy trading. In addition to the PAM accounts, there are also 2 types of trading accounts that you can open with Key to Markets. These accounts are designed for the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and a minimum deposit of only $100 is required to use either account. They can also be used for scalping and news trading, and there are no restrictions on the number of pending orders you can open. The Pro account offers the tightest spreads, however a small commission fee is charged, and commission fees vary depending on your trading volumes. The Pro account is recommended for scalpers and high-volume traders, while the Standard account is suitable for beginners and all other types of traders. The Standard account is a commission-free account with raw spreads starting from 1 pip. You also have the option of opening a demo account to practice trading in a risk-free environment using virtual funds, and Muslim clients can convert their account to a swap-free account that will not charge interest or rollover fees on overnight positions. Key to Markets also offers a special savings account that allows you to earn interest on your trading funds while you wait for the right opportunity to trade. This account is easy to open, and you can instantly transfer funds between your savings accounts and your trading accounts. With NDD Markets, you can trade using the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. You can also use MyFXBook to automate your trades, and it is a beginner-friendly option. MyFXBook is one of the most trusted methods for copy trading, and you can try the auto trade function in demo mode before making any financial commitments. NDD Markets not only offers flexible trading accounts and investment options, but you can also earn more on your deposits by opening a savings account with them. And we recommend trading with them if you are interested in automating your trades. With NDD Markets, you can trade a variety of currency pairs, indices, commodities and shares, commission-free, and with ultra-low spreads. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best NDD Forex brokers, we have Exness. Exness has a massive client base and over 10 years of industry experience, with several top-tier regulations behind its name. As an Exness client, you will have access to more than 100 Forex trading pairs, over 80 stocks, 13 cryptocurrencies, and 12 metals and energies. You will have the option of choosing either a standard account or a professional account, and each account offers favorable trading conditions, which are designed to accommodate different trading needs. If you are new to trading, you can find trading courses, market insights, webinars, and more on the Exness Academy educational website. With Exness, you can open a standard account, a standard cent account, a variety of professional accounts, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. Their standard account is a commission-free market execution account with stable spreads, no requotes, and great execution. Their standard cent account is a great entry account if you want standard conditions, but prefer to trade smaller lots and want to start with a lower capital investment. Their professional accounts require a minimum deposit of $500 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. These accounts are suited for more experienced traders and higher trading volumes. You can test your strategies using virtual money in a risk-free demo environment, or open a swap-free account, which is suitable for clients of the Muslim faith. Their platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, the Exness web terminal, and the Exness mobile application, which are supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Standard accounts are suitable for beginners, and the Help Center offers answers to some of the most commonly asked questions about using certain trading tools, managing accounts, analyzing charts, and more. If you require more in-depth guides, webinars, and market insights, you can visit the Exness educational website to find content based on your level of trading experience and to access the Exness Academy. Exness welcomes beginners and professional traders, offering flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions and a wide range of trading instruments that can be traded on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, or with the proprietary Exness application. And those are some of the top 5 best NDD Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.